Okay, so the next game we're going to talk about is Beep Beep, which came out in 2008. It's ages 8 plus, 2 to 6 players, only takes 5 minutes to play. Now, its Board Game Geek rating is a 5.7 out of 10. Now, part of that is because not a lot of people own it, and those who do own it don't rate it as high. Its overall ranking is 9,000 out of 15,000. Children's rank, though, is 207 out of 718. So this is the first game in this episode that has the children's ranking. Family rank is not too great at basically about 1,400 out of 1,600. So one reason why we played this game is because it was on sale at a particular website, and I wanted to play it again to see if we could buy it as gifts.
Right.
And it was such a good deal that we played it again and we liked it enough to basically get some copies to give away as gifts. And again, you'll see what we think of the game here in a moment. So let's take a look at the pieces. Now, each player has 3 cards in front of them. It's just 1 card each, and it's drawn randomly. These are set up, you'll see in the playthrough video, in a different way, but to get it in the camera, it's set up like this. So it's a speed game. So when the game starts, you're trying to match either animal or color. So I could grab this green, and then I grab another green. But what's interesting about the scoring mechanic is I only have as many points as my least pile. So yeah, I can just put a ton of animals in this pile, but I would only have 1 point because these are my least scoring. So I can keep on going like this. See how I'm going to match snakes. I'm going to match hedgehogs. Now, one interesting rule is that if there are 3 cards of the same color, it's called congestion, and you beep the car, round stops, and then you get to take 2 cards off from the set and put it off to the side to add to your pile, your least scored, your least number of cards in a pile at the end of the game. I'll explain that in a minute. I didn't explain that very well. Another way you can get congestion is if you have 3 animals of the same type. So again, you can beep it again, and then you would take 2 of those cards. 2 of, what are those called again?
Elephants?
No, there's bullwinkles.
Oh, bullwinkles.
What are they called again? Mooses.
Moose.
All right, so let's say the game stops. I have 2 cards in this pile, 3 cards in this one, and 3 in this pile. So my least pile is this one with 2. And then I get to add in these bonus cards, so my final score would be 4.
Oh.
So.
Not bad.
Again, it plays very quickly. Let's take a look at the playthrough video here.
It's not pretty.
So again, you're racing and the game ends when, geez, I have to look at the rules. I forgot because we don't play this game that often.
I think we only played it once.
We played it twice.
We played it twice. Okay.
So I'm trying to remember now.
Isn't it when the piles run out or something?
Yeah, so many piles. So go ahead and explain what's going on.
Well, right now we're both trying to figure out what the heck we want to pick up, and David just beeped because there were 3 of a kind. And
Okay, it's when 2 of the 5 piles are depleted.
Okay.
That's when the game ends.
And I'm trying to figure out which animals I want to get and make my piles grow, and also look out so I could do a beep beep and.
Yeah, we didn't get as many beep beeps because we're just not used to that mechanic. Again, so let's see here. Let's get to towards the end here of the game. Okay, so the game ended.
Oh, look at all those cards you had. Goodness sakes.
Hang on. So we spent more time, I guess, counting than we did.
I think we did too. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Okay, I made him.
Okay, so the game ended because there's 2 piles left.
Yep. There's 3 piles left.
Yeah, 3 piles left. Sorry, when 2 piles are gone, that's what I meant.
Right.
So now we're counting to see which pile has the least. I think actually you won.
Did I win this one?
Yeah, I think you did.
I am shocked.
Even with my bonus too.
Yeah, I didn't have any bonuses at all this game.
But anyway.
Yeah, good job.
So let's talk about what we think about this game here.
All right, let's talk about it.
So what did you think, Julie?
Well, the pictures are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the artwork. Super cute. I kind of went, even though it's a speed game, I kind of went at my own pace because I just needed to go at my own pace. So even though I won, I still played where I wasn't as rushed as maybe someone else might have been. I still won.
Right. That's fine.
I'm not real good with speed games, but I definitely do my best.
Yeah, you did. You won this one.
And I won this one. Amazing. It is very challenging because, again, I don't play a lot of speed games.
No, we don't.
But it was fun. And it was frustrating for me to try and compete with you to go as fast as you.
Right.
And I had
See,
to realize I'd just go at my pace.
I think I focused too much on trying to get the congestion cards.
I think you were, where I was just trying to just match those little guys up as best I could.
So for me, I love the squeaky toy. In fact, our dog gets confused when she hears it. The matching mechanic is cool. So other speed games don't have that congestion mechanic. It's basically just match, try to grab cards as quick as possible to match it to your own pile. It doesn't usually have another rule where you're looking for a set. Where you have 5 different piles. Mm-hmm. So the scoring adds some strategy because of that. And so, again, it's very fast. And so this would be a great game to play with younger people. And they might even beat adults over children. Now, we didn't have this game when our children were in elementary school. So when we got it, we played it a couple times with them. But they were already in middle school and high school.
Right.
And so because of the timing of when we own this game, we might play Jungle Speed or Blink over this game. But you don't remember those games. We'll have to try those.
But I do remember. I remember the names of them. I don't remember how to play.
Well, we haven't played them in years. Again, this is not a category we play a lot because you don't like speed games.
I don't.
Much. But it is good enough for a gift, especially at the price that we found it at.
Yeah.
Let's put it this way: it was basically $3 a game. So,
and it'll be fun to play. We have some young family members coming to join us for a visit next week, and it'll be fun to try it out with them and see how bad they can beat Aunt Julie.
So you can't go wrong for $3 a game. So
no, not at all.
But
it's a cute game for little kids. It's elementary school, definitely.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at how we rated it.
Sure.
And we ended up rating it the same, and we've only played it once.
You said twice.
No. Well, we played it twice that day, but we only played it once. Because the first time we played it wrong.
Oh, okay.
And then we played it again to get the rules
the right way. Right.
And we've only been keeping track of how often we've played a game since June 2016.
Wow.
So we've only been keeping track for 2 years on Board Game Geek. But so we both agreed that it's okay, and we'll play it if in the mood.
Yeah.
And again, we'll keep it in our collection.
Oh yeah, and when we have young guests over, it'll be something fun to do instead of always watching TV or watch a movie.
Right.
This will be a fun game to play with them and see how badly we can get beat by a fourth grader.
Right. We have some young people that are friends of yours. The moms have young
friends
children.
of ours, yeah.
And then
we have family.
Yeah, we have family, but someday when we have grandchildren.
Oh,
so we have our topic to talk about next,
yes.
which we'll get to in just a moment.
Okay, let's do it.